Okay, it's your old virtual machine shop instructor here, Ed, the CNC Dude. I'm going to demonstrate how I use PowerPoint. I had a fellow teacher show me this one to do a screen recording. What the heck's going on here? Screen recording. Hit the screen recording in PowerPoint. Out of this. I'm going to turn on the master. Here's the master cam. But I'm in PowerPoint right now. I hit screen record. Let me turn that back on. Okay, so that should be selected right now. Record pointer, record. So I'd hit the record button. 3, 2, 1. And I can start talking. I got audio on. Record pointer. Oh, it just disappeared. And I can start doing a lesson here. Let me see. I can run this. Open. Oh, this is a something I was working on for my motorcycle. Isometric view. I was designing this. Did I get in the tool? No, I did not get in the toolpath. Current files from a previous version of Mastercam, because I have Mastercam 2020 right now. So I was doing 2019, I think. Just remember, if you save this, sometimes I'll save them with different names, because I like keeping the older versions of Mastercam around for when I do night school training, because some of the companies haven't updated their Mastercam. So I have some of the X series stuff. I usually keep X9 around because they're not used to looking at this. But I really like the new format since it's been 2017. At first I was struggling, but it's all about muscle memory. And being a drummer, it's all about muscle memory, where your hands go. All right. So how do I stop doing it? Oh, I can hit pause or stop. Bink. And now what happens to it? Oh, it becomes a design idea. I'm actually using something else to record this with, so it may get confusing for me. How do I save this? Oh, it actually is playable right now. Play. And I can start talking. Oh, there, right there. How do we save this? File, save as screencast. No, wait a minute. Back. This is a small window right now, right? Oh, here it is. Yep. I know I just put up a video on how to do this, but it's very possible, and everybody's got PowerPoint, and the phone's ringing. Okay, just thought I'd do a quickie on that. This is a real quickie to do, and I think you got to save this as an MP4, and then you can download it up to YouTube. What I do in YouTube, let me go into my YouTube channel, Online Learning. I made an online machine shop learning playlist. My YouTube channel, which I call the CNC Machinist Education Network, really is a repository for everybody else's videos. I have some of my own, but I've been sorting them. Like CNC machining crashes. We'll show this for some laughs. The bar whipping incident. Basic manual lathe STC. Like tool grinding. All these videos. Tips of the day that I like. All. Mark keeps on adding so many I can't keep up. How it's made videos. I like to show these in class. Like in the morning, we'll run a how it's made video. Surface finishes. This old Tony, he's very popular out there. I personally like A-Bomb. He's from Pensacola. He's old school machinist. Very good. He's got very good YouTube videos. Things on work holding, like Pearson has some stuff. This guy Joe Pye from he's from the Houston area, I think. Almighty Bite talking about the carrier method on how to design fixtures, some Titan stuff on fixtures. One I started to organize on HSM and tricordial milling as I was getting deep into it last year. And actually, we have a fellow H-Tech video right here that I use this a lot. Mr. Geppert here actually used to teach at Palm Beach State and now is at Cape Fear in North Carolina. But I used all his settings in here, and I was very successful using dynamic mill in steel. He actually did it using a NIMS manual milling project. But this is cool stuff. You know, I'd like to make my own videos. The best I could do is maybe my hat cam videos, but some of these, there's a lot of good content out there. So I just want a CNC machining setup, Philips Machinist app. I have all the people in school use the Philips Machining app. There was another one here called the Geek Group. Now it's called the National Science Institute. And it turned out that, let me skip through this here, that one of the people in the video also drag races like I do. Let me see if he's in the video here. Right there. Rick Steiner, you might see him on the H-Tech group. We both drag raced together, and I met him at a race. And I said, "You're this guy, Rick." So, all right, I'm getting off topic here. But anyway, back to the PowerPoint. So we're back to the PowerPoint. So at this point, I got to figure out how to save this as an MP4. So play, preview. I think everything up here is, oh, here's right here, video format. I think it's all up here somewhere. So we're in video format. File, save as, browse. It says PowerPoint presentation. Oh, you can save it as an MPEG right there. Save. I think that's how you do it, from what I remember. Okay, signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Ed, the CNC Dude, who is now in, I am now in Sing Sing or Alcatraz, depending on your prison. Thanks. Bye.